Here in this video, we are solving a NEET 2022 question that was given in mechanical properties of solids. Let us see what is the question is. There are two statements, assertion and reasoning. Okay. Let us see what is that assertion is. The stretching of a spring is determined by the shear modulus of the material of the spring. Let us try to explain what is the meaning of that. So, first of all, how strong the body is in protecting its shape is measured with a term called shear modulus. We can understand it by considering a rectangular body. Assume that its lower surface is fixed and you apply a horizontal force on the upper surface. Being the lower surface is fixed, the upper surface shifts from its original position to a new position by a value x or by an angle theta. So, what we can write here is it has a force acting. So, there is a stress acting, that stress is called shearing stress. Shearing stress is the horizontal force applied on a body per unit surface area of the material, so that the body will try to change its shape. Correspondingly, there is a strain. That strain is called shearing strain. Shearing strain is represented with an angle theta. The angle with the vertical, it has been shifted, or we can write it as the shift of the upper layer by the perpendicular distance between them. That can be also be expressed as the shift of the upper layer when compared with the lower layer by the distance between the layers. I know the shearing stress and shearing strain, we know according to Hooke's law, stress is directly proportional to strain. Then the ratio of that is called rigidity modulus, that is shearing stress by shearing strain. It is called rigidity modulus, right. If rigidity modulus is more, means the rigidity modulus is high for a given material, means even for a higher stress, strain is small, so that denominator is small, so that the fraction will be large, means change in the shape is less, deformation is less. So, that is true that the stretching of a spring is determined by the shear modulus of the material of a spring, right. How strong the spring is in protecting its shape is measured with its rigidity modulus. If rigidity modulus is high, it means to say it is difficult to reshape the body, it is difficult to change the shape of that spring, and vice versa. Look at the second statement, reason. A coil spring of copper has more tensile stress than that of the steel, right. The first thing is, it is not at all something like a reason. The assertion and reason are not related, so we can't say it's like right or wrong. Reason, no way, it's not a reason, right. Reason is because of its nature, right. It's not, nothing is mentioned like a nature, right. But we know rigidity modulus of copper has more tensile strength than that of the steel is wrong information. Actually, tensile strength of steel is by numerical values, by values of their rigidity modulus, greater than that of the copper. So, this reason is wrong, right. So, assertion is true, but reason is wrong or false is the right answer in the given options. That is how we have to understand, right. Okay, thank you for watching.